Hello, everyone. Today, let's explore the art of preparing and validating a TDS return with eTDS Excel software. This tool is an Excel-based utility designed to streamline your TDS return process, both regular and corrective. Here's the portal you'll need: tdsprime.com. A quick search will bring this page right to you. On the right side, there's a download form. Simply enter your name, email ID, phone number, and all necessary details, then hit the download button to add the software to your folder. Alternatively, you can schedule a demo by selecting Book Demo. I've already downloaded the TDS software, and as you can see, here's the eTDS Excel software on my screen. Start by opening the software. Next, click Enable Content. This leads you to the main dashboard, where you'll see the option to start your TDS returns. Select it, and you'll encounter the form selection type. Options include Form 24Q and the newer Form 138. Form 24Q caters to salary, while Form 140 and Form 26Q are for non-salary. Form 144 and 27Q serve NRO, and Form 143 and 27EQ cover TCS returns. Choose your form type, then the financial year, followed by the quarter. Both regular and correction returns are available. After selecting regular, agree to the EULA form and click on Start Return. Upon hitting Start Return, the sheets open up. The first is the deductor sheet, followed by the challenge sheet. The third is the payment sheet. Input your data across all three sheets. Once done, right-click to bring up a new window. You'll find multiple options here. The first is Data Import. If your data is ready, simply click Enter Data on the sheets to import directly from Tally, Excel, or any payroll software. The next step is Data Verification. Any issues will be listed for correction. The third step is to create the file return for FBU and upload it. After preparing your data, click Verify and Export to validate and generate the FBU file. For reference, if you want a sample file, click Fill Sample Data. This fills the deductor, challenge, and payment sheets with sample data. Now all details are populated in the sheets. I have a small data set here. Let me close this file and open another. These are the deductor details. My data is filled in. Here are the challenge details, and the third sheet contains the payment details. To verify and export, right-click, then select Verify and Export. Validation occurs and issues are identified. Incorrect or missing data triggers an error list. Correct any mistakes by clicking No to revise the data. As you see, I've corrected errors in this Excel file. These are the errors I addressed. Correcting the data involves right-clicking and selecting Verify and Export again. The file exports successfully. Click OK, and you'll be prompted to browse for your CSI file. If you haven't downloaded the CSI file, click Download CSI File. You'll be redirected to the income tax page to easily download it. After clicking Download CSI File, I'm redirected to the relevant web page. Enter your login details and continue to download the CSI file. I've already downloaded mine. I'll now click Browse to locate my CSI file. Here it is, my CSI file. Open it and hit Continue. Upon clicking Continue, a black screen appears, signaling file validation. The file has been successfully validated. Click OK, and the folder containing your generated file opens. The first is the FBU file, and the last one is Form 27A. Let's take a look at Form 27A. It includes the form type details, the number of deducted records in the Excel sheet, the amount paid, tax deducted, and deposited. Validation occurred with the latest FBU version 1.1. After generating the FBU file, compress it into a zip file. Upload this zip on the ITD portal. eTDS Excel efficiently prepares TDS returns, validates errors, and generates the FBU file in just a few steps. Its Excel-based interface, bulk data entry, and automatic FBU generation make TDS filing quicker and more effective. Thanks for watching this eTDS Excel software demo.